Welcome to the world of raw industrial power, where machines rule the land and every move counts. Today, we're witnessing the Cat C27 Monster Excavator in action, a true giant designed for high productivity and unmatched performance. Watch as this beast effortlessly fills a massive Cat C27 dump truck in just minutes. This isn't just machinery at work. It's precision engineering meeting brute force, redefining what heavy equipment can do on a mining site. The Caterpillar 6015B excavator stands as one of the most powerful hydraulic machines in the Cat lineup. Designed for large-scale mining and earth moving, it's built to deliver maximum tons per hour and minimum downtime. Powered by the Cat C27 Acert engine, this monster delivers a staggering 813 horsepower, 607 kilobarels, ensuring it can dig, lift, and load with extreme efficiency. Its operating weight of around 140 tons gives it the strength to handle the toughest materials, from heavy overburden to dense rock formations. One of the most impressive facts about the Cat 6015B is its bucket capacity of up to 15 cubic meters, 19.6 cubic yards. That means it can fill a Cat 777F dump truck, which carries about 100 tons of material, in just 4 to 5 passes. The cycle time is incredibly short, allowing operations to move faster, saving both time and fuel. The Cat 777F dump truck, its perfect partner on site, is no less impressive. With a payload capacity of 98.4 tons and powered by a Cat C27 engine producing 1,025 horsepower, it's designed to keep up with the 6015B's pace. Together, they form a dream team of mining efficiency, a synchronized duo that dominates large open-pit operations worldwide. Cat engineers have designed the 6015B with operator comfort and safety as priorities. The cab is equipped with ergonomic controls, advanced hydraulic systems, and excellent visibility, allowing precise control even in challenging conditions. Maintenance access points are placed conveniently, reducing service times and keeping uptime at its maximum. Beyond raw performance, the 6015B also reflects Cat's commitment to sustainability. Its fuel-efficient engine, combined with smart load management systems, reduces unnecessary fuel burn and emissions, making it powerful yet responsible. As the Cat C27B Monster Excavator roars across the site, filling the Cat 777F dump truck in minutes, one thing becomes clear. This is more than just machinery. It's a symbol of power, precision, and progress. From massive digging operations to fast material loading, the 6015B proves why Caterpillar remains the name trusted by miners and contractors around the globe. Whether it's moving tons of earth or shaping the future of heavy construction, the Cat 6015B continues to set new standards in performance and durability. This is what happens when engineering meets muscle, a true monster built for the toughest jobs on Earth.